Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna watch how many parts and which types of parts using inside this washing machine. This is Fisher FAWMT 100, means this is 10 kg top load washing machine. Let's see how many parts inside this washing machine we are using. So these are the basic parts, machinery inside the washing machine as I show you front load washing machine. So first of all we're gonna talk about this part. The name of this part is water level sensor. The basic work of this part is it will sense the level of water. When you put the water inside the washing machine, how much water you selected using your PCB panel, so it senses the water level and starts to supply. This is inlet motor. This motor is connected back side of the washing machine. We have to connect a pipe directly with your water tap to this motor and open the tap, so it will work automatically. When the water level sensor give the supply to this motor to take water inside the washing machine, so it will open from inside and taking water inside. This is the safety switch. As you can see, this safety switch basically work two times. Whenever your drum is disbalanced during working dryer, sometime the drum will touch of this switch like this and your washing machine shut off. This is upside for door and downside for drum. Let me show you the washing machine how it works. So this is the washing machine. Let's see where is the switch located. As you can see, this is the drum. Whenever it is running, sometimes it disbalanced and touch like this. See, inside have white switch. Whenever the drum disbalance, it touch like this, the washing machine stop working immediately. See, it works like this. Now let's see the door. As you can see, this is the door and here is this white switch located, as you can see here, and see, it works like this. Whenever the door is open, it is normal condition. When the switch is off, it will work like this. So this is the safety switch. Let's see another one. See, what is this? This is magnetic coil. We call it magnetic coil. It works basically to it helps to drain the water. It is 220 basically have inside motor. Whenever the PCB gives supply 220 to this motor will work like this. As you can see, this motor is turn it like this, and I want to show you some another thing. See this one. So it is connected like this inside the washing machine. Whenever the switch, this magnetic coil is working, this is normal, as you can see here. And when this magnetic coil suck it inside, so this rubber is pull and the water is drained. So this is the work of this magnetic coil inside the washing machine. This is called water pump. See, this is also 220 volt 60 Hz. This is water pump. The work of this water pump to throw the water. This is for drainage. Okay, as you can see, we connect two wire and so here you can see inside have motor. This pump have 3 holes, as you can see. The big one is for filter, it will shut, and this one is middle one is directly connected with the drum, so all the water comes from this middle, and the small one for throwing the water, throwing outside. The hose will connect, outside hose will connect on the small one. This is called metal assembly, or you can say gearbox also. It is connected like this inside the washing machine, and this is the back side. Let me show you the motor, how it connected with the motor inside the washing machine. This is the motor. This is the motor of this automatic washing machine. This is also 220 motor, 220 voltage, and a belt will work like this.